Hi guys, in this video we will discuss what is unit of measure and how to create unit of measure in Primavera P6. So guys, this is Mudassar Malik. I am professional trainer of Oracle Primavera P6 and Microsoft Project Professional. So a unit of measure describes the quantity of a particular resource. Labor resources are often measured in units of time such as hour or days. Materials can be measured in cubic feet, square feet, linear feet, bags, liters, numbers, each, or perhaps in tons or kilograms. Items used one by one can be measured individually or as shipped, a box or a case. Units of measure are used to define material resources. When material resources is defined, we need a unit to assign to it. Money is generally measured in monetary units such as dollar, euros, or PKR. To define a unit of measure for material type resources, the path is choose admin categories, click on unit of measures. In the unit of measure tab, click on add. In the unit abbreviation column, type the abbreviation SQM to use as the label for a new unit of measure, and in the unit name column, type square meter, the name of the new unit of measure. So guys, let's jump to the Primavera P6 file and learn how to create unit of measures. So let me open it. We will use login name and login password. So guys, software is opened. So the path is how to create a unit of measure in Primavera P6. The path is click on admin, then click on admin categories, and next click on units of measure. So here you will add, click on add. One column number one is unit abbreviation and number second is unit name. So in unit abbreviation column we will add abbreviation, and the name column we will add unit description. So like unit abbreviation is SFT and unit name is square feet, and again add. Next one is CFT and the abbreviation is CFT and the unit name is cubic feet. Then add, and next one is BAG unit abbreviation, and the unit name is bags. Next one is TON unit abbreviation and unit name is tons. Next one is liters, LTR unit abbreviation is LTR and unit name is liters. Next add, so unit abbreviation is kg and unit name is kilogram. And next add, unit abbreviation is NOS and unit name is numbers, and then close. So guys, this is the way how you can add a unit of measures in Primavera P6. Hope you understand. So subscribe our channel and you can see upcoming videos notifications. Thank you very much.